Hey guys, if you're looking to break things up and have a ton of fun with your students for any block of time, just to lighten things up, create culture, whatever it is, I have an awesome tip for you today. It's called Autodraw. Let's jump in. It's Autodraw.com, which is a Google product. Maybe I want to try to draw a television. So hop over to Autodraw, and there's a bunch of tools. You can just draw normal stuff, but if I click Autodraw right here, it's going to try to figure out what I'm drawing as I draw it. So this one should be pretty easy. You know, just maybe draw a box, and then I'm going to put like the inner screen on there, draw an old school. Now these are some there we go, there's a television. So I've got my television. Then I go back to my list and I see, hey, shirt might not be a hard one to figure out. So we'll go back to Autodraw, and then we're just gonna, and we'll give it a scoop. And there we go, we got a shirt. So if you generated a list of 4 or 5 things, and then sort of like a bingo card, the kids had to generate a picture of all of those randomly as a contest maybe for time, then as soon as they're done, you swivel it back around and you could just have some fun. Just a fun, quick way to generate some illustrations. But also, if you use Jamboard and you want your students drawings to be a little more accurate, or they're frustrated because they aren't really good at drawing. I'm not the best freehand drawer either, so maybe I want to use Autodraw.com. I want to try to get an icon or something from the database that really conveys clearly to somebody else my point. This is a great way to do it. When you're all done, you can actually come up here and you can download them, share them, all sorts of stuff, all sorts of really cool things. Just be careful when you log into Autodraw.com that you don't get lost, because I had a lot of fun doing this, and I think it could be fun for you. All right, so here's some use cases for this where it could actually fit into what you want to do, rather than just develop some relationships with your kids, have a little fun. But if you use Jamboard, if you use Flipgrid, if you want kids to create presentations where they need to get an icon that communicates their point really clearly and they're not great at drawing, Autodraw could be awesome. Like, actually grab this, download it, throw it into a short for Flipgrid, maybe post it on a Jamboard, whatever it is that you're working on, where kids want to grab some type of icon or drawing that is better than what they can do with their hand, like me, then this tool could be really awesome. So not only fun, but really practical. But hey, what do you think we could use it for? Drop that in the comments. Tell me what you think. Do you have another tool that's like this? I would love to hear from you guys. I hope this one's helpful, and I will catch you next time. See ya.